You know those moments where you just kind of send it, put the camera up, and say, "Oh, this is the right angle." Well, that's what just happened, guys. So I just got done doing the review that you guys are about to watch, and about this much of my face is cut out the whole time. I apologize for that, but you guys will still get the gist of it. So enjoy my amateur vlog of my review on this suction cup. I apologize for it. What's up, YouTube? In today's video, sorry, I live in Central California. You hear helicopters every once in a while, if you do hear it. Anyways, we're doing a little review on this little budget suction cup. Bought a new one here just to show you guys all of the stuff that I've done with this suction cup in the last year of owning this one. It has done a tremendous job for the price. I'll put the price up somewhere here for you guys to see. But this thing has done wonders for me. I haven't really gone super fast in it, and with this on the side of the car, maybe about 85, 90 miles an hour by myself with the vehicle, and it held up good. Everything was amazing. I honestly recommend this to anyone that is on a budget, trying to do their best to just save a buck. You could go get one from Gopro. You can go and get one that's $30, $50. This did the job. It held on. Yes, I did buy a tether cable system for it, which I bought off of Amazon, just like I bought this, and I'll leave that in the link in the description as well, and put a picture somewhere up here of that as well. I'm not going to do a review on the tether cables, but it is good to get both of these together, just for the simple reason of you're driving on the highway getting some good views. A big van, or not van, but big semi-truck drives by and you're on two single-lane roads, it may knock it down, which did happen on this suction cup after over a year of abuse. Again, on the video on Amazon showing you using this, when you take off, well, when you first take it out of being brand new, we'll start with that. So being brand new, and just so you guys can see the brand name, I'm not sure how to say that, but that is the brand name there. Hopefully you guys saw it. Anyways, so opening this is for another review that I'm going to knock out after this one. But so what comes with this? You have your adapter that sits right there. This piece that helps for the GoPro to be screwed in on. It goes on this piece, just like how you would see there, and you have your screw to hold it in, and you also have a phone holder, which is what I'm going to use for the old one because this one can't hang as well anymore. Anyways, on the back, this is the new one, this is the old one. There is this plastic that they show when they have a little review on the Amazon video before you buy this. This is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but I didn't know, because I didn't watch that video, that you repurposefully use this back on your suction cup. I've gone a year neglecting this thing, literally just throwing it in the back of my car, throwing it in my book bag, and I've never once washed this. And the suction cup lasted until about, I'd say 2-3 weeks ago when I was at Button Willow, and, well, not the suction cup, this part gave out, the 360 side piece. And that gave out from the tightness on the side here. So, long story short, they say to repurposefully use this because it helps the length of it lasting. So, I'm hoping that when I go to Button Willow this Wednesday coming up, that this 360 will not go out like this one did, which I will show the videos coming up. But tightening this spot right here, it's supposed to hold this 360 spot and this from pivoting. So when this is loose, this is the brand new one, you have 360 this way, and you have full 360 of turning this left and right, up and down, all of that. Anyways, so with this being tight, it should hold that first 360 mark. And what I'm going to show you guys now is this part giving out. I would say The RX-7 was going maybe 120 miles an hour. I couldn't tell, but on the Camaro, you could see it's going above 100 miles an hour on button willow. But here, okay, yeah. This definitely gave out after a year of using it, because I just turned the shit out of that, sorry for my language, and it held it fine. So, I'll show you guys the videos here now, and you guys will notice the difference from when it was brand new. The first time I used it was going to Millerton Lake. Got a couple views with some friends, and yeah, I got to maybe about 80 miles an hour on the highway, and held good. Never gave me problems. I've used it multiple times on a lot of different surfaces. That suction cup did a banging job. So, honestly, I think it is a great product. For how cheap it is, it lasted me a year of neglecting it. I did not take that suction cup piece off with hot or warm water, put that piece back on when I was done. I literally just left it and neglected it this whole time, and it's finally now not that sticky where if I take this off, it's probably gonna stick to my finger. And I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna wait until I get to button willow. When I get to button willow, maybe the Camaro or the RX-7, whoever lets me put it on their car at the time for Caliber Customs, I will show you the difference in how, after a year of using this, which again, this, I remember being less than 20 bucks if I'm not mistaken. It's worth it. It is worth it to me. So, here are the videos for you guys to see. First ones will be driving around, showing you all the drives I've done before with it being outside of the car. Literally, there's no prep. I've done nothing but wipe off the dirt, probably spit on it just to get it clean, and just go ham. So again, a year long, it did amazing. So, enjoy the footage, and if you guys like it, leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe for more, and there'll be more to come. I got another one coming up right now for this one.